Have you ever wondered how some people get their camellias, rhododendrons, azaleas and hydrangeas blooming beautifully every spring and summer? It comes down to the feeding. Any of our spring flowering plants like camellias, rhododendrons and azaleas, or indeed forest flame, produce their flower buds at this time of year in preparation for springtime. And if you feed them now, you encourage big fat buds en masse, which will give you that colour next spring. My advice is to feed with the Grow-Sure Ericaceous plant food. It's a liquid, it's easy to apply, and it feeds not only the flowers but also the foliage and roots of the plant. You simply mix 1 capful of the Grow-Sure Ericaceous food to 1 gallon of water. Apply it over the foliage, stems and roots of the plant every fortnight from now on, up until late November, early December. And that will encourage the plants to produce really fat flower buds, great health in the foliage and a strong root structure in preparation for spring. So to have your camellias, beautiful rhododendrons and azaleas, and indeed hydrangeas, blooming brilliantly next spring and summer, my advice is to feed them and wash them now every fortnight with the Ericaceous plant food. It's available here from Horkans for a home delivery on horkans.ie, or you can pick it up in any of our garden centres. Remember, we're open 7 days every Sunday from 12 p.m. right through to 6 p.m. Bye for now.